In this video, I'll go over how to add Hulu to your Hisense Smart TV. Now first you need to check your Hisense Smart TV's operating system since this differs. So look at the home screen when you power on the TV. It can be Roku, which is a purple UI with Roku branding. It can be an Android or a Google TV where it has a Google Play Store and assistant search bar. It can also be a Vida OS, which is Hisense's own system with minimal and a Hisense logo at startup. But it can also be Fire TV with Amazon branding, Alexa Focus and the App Store. So here now is how to add Hulu based on your OS. First, if yours is an Android or Google TV OS on your Hisense TV, press the home button, go to the Google Play Store and use the search function and type in Hulu. Then select Hulu from the results and choose install and then open up the app. If your operating system is Roku, then press the home button, scroll to streaming channels and then click search channels, type in Hulu and select it from the results and then choose add channel and then OK, and then you can launch Hulu from the home screen and sign in. So the third one is the Hisense Fire TV. Press the home button on your remote, go to the find/search option and type Hulu, select Hulu from the results and then click get or download to install and open Hulu and sign in. Now on the Hisense Vida TV, Hulu is not natively supported on most Vida-based Hisense TVs, especially outside the US, but there are some workarounds so you can use Hulu via a streaming device like Roku, Amazon Fire Stick, Apple TV or Google Chromecast, or cast from a mobile device so you can install Hulu on your phone or tablet, connect both TV and phone to the same Wi-Fi, and tap the cast icon in the Hulu app. Now if you still can't find Hulu, make sure your TV firmware is up to date. Hulu may be unavailable in your country as it's only US officially, or you can use a VPN plus streaming stick if you are outside the US. So now you know how to add Hulu to your Hisense Smart TV. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.